Hi, in this video we are going to see about relational model. Basic understanding of relational model is necessary to effectively use relational database software such as Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, Sybase, etc. which are based on relational model. In relational model, the data is stored in the form of tables and the database systems based on it are called relational database systems. Okay. So, relational model, we have something called tables, and then the database systems which are based on this relational model are called relational database systems. So, the relational model uses a collection of tables to represent both the data and the relationship among data. So, each table has multiple columns and each column has a unique name. So, tables are related to each other. So, here if you see department, course, student, professor, all these are tables, and you can see they are also related to each other in some way or the other. Okay. So, this is how it will look like. Like you have a table, right? These are called your rows or records or tuple, and these are called your columns or attributes. Okay. So, the total, if you see number of records, cardinality of the relationship, and number of columns, degree of the relationship. So, this is how a table will look like in this model. So, relational model. Relation or entity, if you say it's a table. Tuple is a row of the table. Attribute is the column of the table. Okay. So, a number of tuples is called the cardinality and number of attributes is called the degree. So, advantages of our model, this model is the database design is simple to implement and manage. Okay. In this model, the table is an entity which is primarily used. Hence, insertion, deletion and retrieval of data becomes easy. Okay. The data can be easily linked with other table using table attributes. So, it facilitates the support for SQL language. It ensures the structural independence. Even after creation of database, new categories of data can be inserted without making changes in the existing applications. So, these are the advantages of relational model. We have some disadvantages. That is, it has substantial hardware and software overhead. Okay, sometimes it may facilitate poor design and implementation. It cannot handle data in the form of images, audio, video. In simple term, you can say multimedia data.